Today, we will solve another problem on the applications of HCF, that is, simplifying fractions. Reduce 18 by 24 into its lowest term. Step 1. Find the HCF. Since the fraction is to be reduced to its lowest term, we need to find the HCF of 18 and 24. Let us find the HCF using division method or Euclid's algorithm. Step 1. Divide the larger number by the smaller number. In this case, when we divide 24 by 18, we get 1 as the quotient and 6 as the remainder. Step 2. If the remainder is not 0, then the remainder becomes the new divisor and the previous divisor becomes the new dividend. In this case, 6 becomes the new divisor and 18 becomes the new dividend. When we divide 18 by 6, we get 3 as the quotient and 0 as the remainder. Step 3. If the remainder is 0, then the last divisor is the HCF. Therefore, HCF of 18 and 24 is 6. Step 2. Divide the numerator and denominator by the HCF. That is, 18 divided by 6, 24 divided by 6 gives you 3 divided by 4. Therefore, the lowest term of 18 divided by 24 is 3 divided by 4. Got it? Thank you for watching. For more tricky questions, please subscribe to my channel and watch the complete playlist.